Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, I'll be showing you guys how to assemble the carbon fiber monitor mount. As you know, the package doesn't come with an instruction manual, so it just came with all these parts. First thing first, what you need are a screwdriver, a needle nose pliers, and an Allen key. So first thing you need to do is grab the two big screws and we will be mounting it on the side of the frame. So just insert the screw there, grab one of your T-bracket, make sure this is facing like that. You want to screw the other end. So grab your needle nose pliers, hold it on the side there, and then screw on the other side to tighten it up. Okay, so once you have tightened the screws, then next you want to grab the medium size screw and grab the plastic washer right there, and we will be putting this on top of the mount. Okay, so grab the screw, put it like that, and put it over here, and then just put it on top like that. Okay, and grab the end part here, and you want to try to screw this in. It's a tight fit. Grab your needle nose plier, pinch the end. Okay, and tighten the other side like so. Okay, so there you go guys, that's one side completed. And then for the bottom over here, you grab this piece of metal, use the smallest screw, this one right here, and just place this behind the frame or the mount. Screw this right through. Okay, so the same thing, just place the other bottom. Okay, so the same method on the other side. Okay, so now all you have to do is just mount this on your radio. Okay, so here is my stock radio. So we're going to place it like this. Alright. So all you need to do is grab the back plating. Okay, so grab your Allen key wrench. Then grab the other screw. Okay, so just tighten the back. Make sure they're nice and even, that you tighten both sides evenly. Alright, so just a little quick tip, if you want to prevent your monitor from scratching, what you can do is put Velcro on the surface of this mount so that you can prevent the monitor from scratching at the bottom. So that's what it looks like when it's fully assembled. So there you go guys.